Good morning people, welcome you all back to my channel once again, and we are right now in Goa. It's nice to say that. Long time since I've come to Goa, and it's so much fun. The vibes are absolutely brilliant. Last night we walked around the streets of Goa and it was so much fun. People are in so much party mode and in the enjoyment, and we are staying in Vagator, close to Hilltop. Right now we're just heading out to Morjim probably with this bunch of Kudlani riders whom I am staying with. Mostly Tiger boys on Muneshwara and 390 adventure. So if you're new to my channel, welcome back once again, and do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Beautiful morning here at Goa. Perfect weather for a morning ride. The time right now it's about 8:30 a.m. They've had a chilled out holiday morning, not like very early, just a chill out ride. So if you see, none of us are actually geared up completely. It's not a long ride, just a short breakfast ride here in Goa. So stay tuned people as we explore more of Goa today. Goan churches here in Goa. Viva Siolim Sao Jao. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. This is Siolim. One of the bridges here in Siolim. Oh, check out the harbor. I think this is the backwater of the sea. Very nice. So right now we are at Morjim beach here in Goa. Beautiful shallow beaches here at Morjim. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. And my two-line advice for today: stay happy, keep smiling, spread the happiness, and you never know when it's your last. So don't waste your time doing what you don't enjoy doing. So this is Morjim beach. Just heading back to Vagator now from here. Weather is still pleasant. It's not got hot as yet. Lot of crowd in Goa this time of the year. Season, December is like season time. Very crowded. A lot of foreign tourists, Indian tourists. So today is the big day, the IBW day 1. Looking forward to that in the evening. We plan to head there by 4 or 5 in the evening, and have a couple of friends also who come from Bangalore. Hope to catch up with them. So stay tuned for day 1 of India Bike Week 2023.